Is anyone there?
Hey, you kicked me from the call, I suppose.
Oh.
About that apparatus in there.
Were you
Leave this
unmuted?
apparatus alone.
Oh, it's locked.
Hey, I'm unmuted.
Were you?
Just disconnect from the call. I'm back in, I'm reconnected. Hey, what's up, buddies?
How do you scan? Oh, that's how you scan. Okay. Should we grab this?
Pull that plug. Don't pull that plug. You little buffoon, I'm gonna kill you!
Womp womp. Looks like we're just gonna have to be in the dark.
Little idiot. Out this door. Back here, stupid.
Don't call me stupid.
Hey, it's on your name tag.
No, you wanna know what's on your name tag?
Yes.
Too fucking bad.
Oh,
Why don't you look down yourself?
Don't make me clobber you.
Oh yeah? What you gonna do about it? Back up?
Don't make me clobber you,
Why don't you
stupid.
back up, pal? Back up. Directly backwards.
Why don't you
Back up.
before I kiss you on your lips.
Oh yeah?
I know you like that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you ain't gonna stop me. You can't do nothing to stop me. Stupid. Oh yeah, well I'm coming in.
Oh! Ah!
Here, come in for another one. Come on.
Okay.
Well, look what stupid did.
What the fuck are they doing? Listen, all you had to do was not kiss me on my hot mouth.
No more weed.
I couldn't stop myself.
I don't want to grow up. Oh, it's you, you idiot. I don't care about you.
The heck? He's cuddling me.
What the hell?
What's going on?
He just fondled your ball sack.
He just reached real deep inside of me.
He gave you a reach around.
Absolutely did.
You stay right there. Oh, fuck! You idiot! You look like a plastic fish.
Mother looks like a plastic fish, you buffoon.
I'm gonna tell her you said that.
Yeah, well, you look like a... You little...
Yeah. What you gonna do about it?
What you gonna do about it, stupid?
Alright, idiot.
You don't call me that. They did the idiots back in the day.
Alejandro just gave me back shots. That was quite a sight. You know what you remind me of?
I know what you remind me of.
An idiot! An idiot!
No reason to get racial.
I did not bring facials into this.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you one of those.
Yeah, the thumper.
Your activity detected. Oh god. Let us in, you fucker! Let us in! Okay. God, it smells like ass.
My bad.
Did he just That's what you fucking get. Just grab your useless corpse. Ah, fuck it. Hey, back the fuck up, you big nose fuck! You're a fucking moron, you know that? Oi! You orange fuck! You're a fucking idiot!
Hey, what'd you do? Did you walk on the bridge?
No, you're just that fucking fat! You idiot!
Come on, buddy. No need to be rude.
Rude? You called me a fucking stupid. Why are you hiding like a bitch? Oh, fuck!
He killed it! He killed it! He killed it with the...
You gotta play go-kart, see?
There's so many weeds. Why are there so many weeds?
What do we
Why
get
are
for...
there so many weeds?
Step in the plans.
What do we get for...
Oh my god! Help me! Help me!
What the hell? What the fuck?
Help me! Help me! Help me!
What the hell? Let go of him! Oh fuck, he got!
On him.
What the hell was that?
They got him.
Should we buy a shovel? Where'd he go?
We got a new car.
Yeah, fuck that guy, we got a new car!
Real shame. He never got to try out a new car.
Hey, he was a fucking idiot. Alright, who's driving? Don't forget, don't blow it up. Oh, sorry, I was pushing it. How do you open? Hold up. Okay, I'm in the back. Hey, look behind you. Look behind you.
Buddy.
What's up, idiot?
Nice car we got here.
Wow! My leg! My leg! Oh God! Ah! Fuck! Ah!
Alright, buddy. Don't...
Oh shit! You're dead! Oh my God! Fuck you! I want to drive the car.